Hello everyone, this is Jim Okersinski with your week 5 screencast video. So taking a look at the schedule this week, we have quite a bit of activity. Major assignment, the evaluative annotated bibliography is due the 11th. From here on out, the source information that you've been able to research will prove to be critical for the activities as we move from the annotated into discussion board number 8, the double entry journal and working with the words of others, and then on toward chapter 4 and drafting your research essay. So like I said, the annotated is due on the 11th, end of day. The double entry discussion board post is pretty straightforward. Let me take a look at that in the discussion board. Scroll to the entry here. It's all about working with source material here. I've even uploaded for you a template if you would like to use that Google Doc template to complete the discussion board activity. The table format usually does copy and paste reasonably well into Blackboard. If not, it'll help you organize your quotes, paraphrases, and summaries and comments in I should say a pretty efficient manner. All right. So that's going to be due this week. I just want to run through the week 5 module. Of course, I have the lecture video that is going to be out, or actually it is out. Once again, I've moved the instructions for the annotated bibliography and the what's an annotation to the week 5 module. And then here you go with the double entry journal on discussion board number 8. So like I say in my announcement, it's a critical week. Falling behind is never really a successful path here, especially for something as layered as this research project. So if you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.